Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlaziya.
Guys, awungitshele ubaloyi mase sesixoxela nje ubemisa phi uStanley Sambo because uyabona ukuthi manje usigwaze ngowakhe uStanley just messed up everything there. Nanginomnisi uyamgibela uSambo uyam-expose noRamosipili. Guys, who even does that to themselves? I'm just like ubaloyi doesn't think. The problem with baloyi, like I was saying ukuthi his time is over. So he sits down when he gets home, he tries and bring in people and he'll ambush the defense and be bringing people and not going to help him with anything. I really don't understand because they're just messing him up. Eh? He must just stop. Like I said, it feels like concrete. It's phezulu, but it's still wet. You're trying to come out. Like, you must just stay there. Why are you even trying? I remember umnisi ethi and sizovula umgodi and sifaka umuntu phakathi. Umnisi once said things like that. It's just like awungeke, guys. You must just give it up. Eh? At times, we challenge with, you know what? I surrender. We're done. There's nothing left. Eh? Instead, usifakela amehlo nje. Ama-hawks like for no reason. I-NPA izowenzani? Hayi. So uRamosipili had to go first to expose this guy uSambo. So uRamosipili is just telling him why you here. Also, I mean, so umnisi, there was just some dynamics there going on. I don't know what was that with Rata and them. Urata was shocked to say, okay, let's call uRamosipili and then you, what's up with that, you know? And then it was solved and agreed to, okay, Ramosipili qala bra. uRamosipili, that's when he was explaining it to Sambo, you know what? I don't remember, from what my client actually, Ubongani Ntanzi, is telling me. He did not commission this guy to come to court. So ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi what's going on, who paid him? Uyabona ukuthi there's those nitty-gritties manje ukuthi who paid Umjiyako? Where does it say ukuthi Umjiyako was paid by Ntanzi's family? So we need to know who paid him, Umjiyako, because there's that story so ukuthi he was actually brought by family Gantanzi. That's what he said, because Untanzi Gosam use jail, use in the dock, he's standing there in court. Agazi next, a person just rocks up and be like, I'm here to represent you. And then Untanzi's like, bro, who are you? Many family members never told me about you. This is why these people are not Gininda. That's nice. Just you haven't seen Gininda sitting with Njiyako. When's an example? And one day they will be seen together. And then you'll be like, what? How? We were able to understand that when ngapha umnisi was insinuating ukuthi abanye abantu bathenga lama FFC numbers. I'm just like, what? Nithini manje, guys? People are buying anything and everything in life. Like you see, in this case, abantu batholi envelopes. You can buy anything. You can buy your freedom, my man. Okay, why bangaboshwa no longer? Because they bought their freedom. That is just my thing, allegedly. Ramosipili was just like, bruh, like he went and got some scapegoats. And really he is. Remember, I said on a video before this one, no one to admin. And manje bamfundisa manga. It's not fair. I'm sure they were like, hey, bam. I need to register bantu. Go. Uzofakela LPC embarrassment in amangala. Just go. And I think if ubalo wayikhethela ukuthi ufuna that's just my thing, because uRamosipili is like, bruh, you can't be here. Why are you here? I'm looking for attorney or whosoever advocate. But they're saying now is actually, we must address him as an advocate. Dominique Ntokozo Njiyako. Guys, why can't he come? Because this is not the first time. Remember, I said uge wabhala incwadi wayinika futhi ubaloyi and bayakhuluma vele nobaloyi uMjiyako. My thing is that why is he not coming, this guy? It's hard. Because you busy, your sister, and you're supposed to go to Wabon Untanzi. Untanzi like Kangmazi the Mutu. Wrong first day, Wafiga. Kangam Zelanga. I didn't ask the guy, and I'm Gosha. Konala Untanzi Shakona on the testimony, like when they testified, and I know accused number 2. Remember when they gave them the floor, they were like, Kuluman. Nithini nanishawa kwenzakalani basho ukuthi hayibo thina babesishaya abantu besidonsa besifaka amaplastiki emakhanda besenza all sorts of things you can think about in the Fortuna mostly benziwani for hours on end. You know what's crazy though? You know that Balo you never call him Mjiyako, and he's the one who must actually call him. And then ambuza izinto aphinde futhi ngapha i-defense embuza some stuff. It will never happen. Yabona indaba kaMjiyako, let me tell you what's going on with it. Iyon bese kuba uKelly, bese kuba actually especially uKelly and Longwe, those two. Lalela, don't speak to Baloyi about those three people. Ufake noMjiyako uzukwatela ngoba those are not the people he wants in court. Akabafuni those people. So it will never happen. Mjiyako now, forget about him coming to court or thinking ukuthi thina as YouTubers we will be standing outside YouTubers taking photos of Mjiyako. It will never happen. Sizoyithola la ithombe zakhe on the internet. That's all. It's the same as lo baba lo hamba namaphoyisa 100 mangabe iphuma lapha ecourt high court ase Pretoria uBrigadier Kinindi. Ngapha Omnis is destroying uSambo. Guys, I'm just like, you know what? Some other things and guys with this guy, why did he agree to Baloyi to come to court? Ngoba umntwana uyikokorosho, he's small. I mean, that's just my thing. They should have brought the real guy. Mjiyako. You know, that's just my thing. It was a big mistake to call uSambo. Yeah, Baloyi shows solar. He's like, what did I do to myself? Did I double myself on the food? And nakhona Dominic Mjiyako, why did he allow this? And people now they are dragging your name. I mean, you are an advocate. Like, why, guys? Would you do that to yourself? I mean, me now never. I was just gonna come and be like, yeah, I'm here. Like how we did when you just rocked up at court and said, and lied, basically, and said, your family sent me to come and represent you. And it doesn't come out to Tumelela. And I feel good value I mean, it's not even allegedly. For me, he did. He works his things out better, this guy. He had a drawing board. He was drawing everything he needs. This is how we're going to do stuff. It's just the stuff now is catching up. As in years, loopholes. So, manje, you are just embarrassing yourselves. They are embarrassing themselves, honestly. Brigadier Kinindi and Baloyi. And I think abantu who are up there, they are working with them, is they just like, like, how did this come out? We said, sort this thing out. Why can't you just carry this thing on your own and be able to speak in court, sing about dressing? What is hard? Go by we are paying. Hayi. But it's on njalo nabo. Ungababoni beso. Baloyi must just give it up, guys. This desperation now is too much. Like uyabonakala. I mean, no muntu oqala ukubukisa icase kaSenzo Meya last week can tell there's a problem with this guy. Like, what's up with him? Baloyi uThasa uGinindi wambalekisa, and then now he comes up with the story ukuthi ama-AVL they need time to gather them. They're gonna cook them, guys, but I promise you ngeke avuthwe. Mark my words. You guys, yazi ukuthi umnisi manje is insinuating other things ukuthi LPC is being paid to issue art certificates. Guys, like abantu bazongena enkingeni. People must just stop. Because uyazibuza ukuthi uMjiyako uqala, for example, ungamkhohlwa wa qualifier ngo-2012 but i-certificate uzithola in May of 2020. Guys, kwenzakalani? People busy doing fraudulent situations and fraudulent things. Guys, uzoboshwa. Guys, ngiyayibuzela nje, has umnisi just tarnished credibility ye LPC? Hey, bazongena enkingeni abantu.